Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Maggi ramen. First, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need a packet of Maggi noodles, approximately 2 cups of water, and a small cooking pot. Consider any extra ingredients you might want to add, such as fresh vegetables or a cracked egg, preparing them beforehand. Ensure your stove or microwave is ready for the cooking process. Now, let's start cooking. Pour 2 cups of water into your pot and bring it to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once the water is bubbling vigorously, carefully add the Maggi noodle cake. Stir the noodles occasionally to help them separate and cook evenly. Let them simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften and are nearly cooked through. With your noodles nearly ready, it's time to add the signature flavor. Open the Maggi seasoning packet and stir its contents thoroughly into the noodles and broth. If you've prepared any vegetables or protein, like a cracked egg, add them now. Continue cooking for an additional 1 minute, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and heated through. Your delicious Maggi ramen is now complete. Carefully pour the hot noodles and broth into a serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with fresh herbs like cilantro or a drizzle of sesame oil. Take a moment to appreciate your quick and satisfying creation. Enjoy every warm, flavorful bite of your homemade Maggi ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.